Hello everybody, today beautiful day, and today you will make a nice dish. We got a pasta over here, but it's a fusilli. And we make fusilli, hot Italian sausage, and cauliflower. It's a pasta with the sausage and cauliflower. And I got over here a little wine, I got a garlic, parsley, and I got a pecorino cheese, and on the side I got my wine. This is for salute cincina, everybody. Now I'll bring the garlic on the stove and the sausage, and I put the gas on. Now, before we start the sausage everything, I got the water boil, and I salt it already. Now this fusilli, it takes almost about 15 minutes to cook. Like this, I want to start to cook the fusilli first. All right. E tirarezza una piezza look at that. Oh. Okay, now we'll got a boil and we can start over here. And I got oil. It's enough oil, and we leave warm up the oil. I got 2 pieces of garlic. Now the 2 pieces of garlic, what I do, I put it, but after I leave, cause I eat the garlic. But so you want, you can take it out the garlic, and like this, nobody get the garlic. You leave the garlic only for the taste. Okay.
Can you say hello? Thank you.
Okay, now I got a little wine over here. Salute cincina everybody. Everybody, salute, cincina. Thank you very much for the stuff. A salute. Thank you. Respira. Okay, now we got the sausage. Let me move this glass before I broke everything. And we lower the gas a little bit. So now, the cauliflower, I was washed really good, and you make like this, the cauliflower. But I was boiled for 5 minutes. And look how beautiful it look. 5 minutes. After I put it together with the sausage, but you don't gotta cook it too much with the sausage. Okay.
Here's the Italian hot sausage.
Torna sorriendo. Okay, look how beautiful. The sausage look good. The sentiment. After we got a little wine over here. That I gotta put over here together with it. Okay, we lower the gas a little bit. Got the pasta start to boil now. Okay, good. All right, now we leave it cook a little bit more the sausage. Kind of one, you know, it's a pork, and we gotta cook a little bit more. After we need a little water for the pasta, so we gotta saute everything together.
Oh, people cooking a lot of dishes tonight. Your dishes.
Okay, good, thank you. Now the fusilli, you know, I taste. Like I say, you never know. Maybe by the time it's that time, how long you gotta cook, but all the time I tasted before.
Thank you, Brian.
Ok, let's do cincin e salute everybody. E cook the dish and let me know if they come out good. Salute cincin. And thank you very much for the stuff. A salute cincin.
Begziti. Wow. Everybody's cooking your dishes. Perfect.
We lower the gas down. My wife today is making me nice necklace. It's a pearl necklace. She paid a lot of money. But, you know, it's a nice gift. I want to say to my wife, thank you very much. And I want to show everybody the necklace that she was making for me. Se la luna mi trovare mamma maritata. Look at this, my baby. Look at that. Look at this. Thank you very much. Look at this. It looks beautiful. You pay a lot of money for this, eh?
Yep.
This is everything from my garden.
So why you want more money?
Okay. Okay, good. Now the sausage is like nice, and I want to pour the wine. Okay, now we leave it cook like this.
Smells so good already.
We evaporate all the wine. Now, I don't want to put no black pepper and no salt. The pasta are salty already. The sausage, it's a salt. The cauliflower, it's a salt. Everything already with the salt. And I don't want to use. And the black pepper, this sausage, it's hot sausage. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to see one. A lot of time, like I say, you never know. I don't want to cook it too much.
You got a spicy necklace.
You see, like I say, this one, I was about, some, it was take so long. This one, it's good already. Now what I do, I put it right over here. But I want to saute the cauliflower together. Okay, now this we gotta go nice and easy. I don't want to break too much the cauliflower. All right. We leave it cook a little bit more. I wanted everything to take the taste with the sausage. Okay. We turn the gas off of the pasta. And now we take the cortecce. Not the cortecce, fusilli. It's okay, got a little water, I gotta pick up a little water. I think for me and my wife, we got enough.
Perfect.
We got a feast tonight.
Smells so good.
Okay, this is done. We put it back over here. A tu sola, bellene, o solo mia, sta from a te. Okay, what I need now, I need a little pasta water. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it was pre-cooked for 5 minutes, cauliflower, yes.
Okay. Okay, I put the water, now we leave it like this. But now it comes the good stuff. We got a pecorino cheese. It make it nice creamy.
You can make with broccoli wrap or broccoli
Yeah, broccolini.
if you don't like cauliflower.
Okay, now sulla scena.
This is Beppe Cuomo, the singer.
Okay, we got more pecorino cheese over here.
Yes, it was.
Stand from.
It's spicy Italian sausage. Cannoli. Everybody's asking for cannoli. We gotta make.
Yeah, we gotta make a cannoli, yes.
The pasta is from Restaurant Depot. Looks so good.
Looking nice.
It's fusilli, pecorino cheese. Yes.
It's a fusilli. Okay, this is almost ready. I want to say salute cincin to everybody, a nice necklace so we got over here.
Everybody give you compliment.
This one, what I gotta do, I gotta make a seeds for next year. It's why I hang up, it gotta come a nice red like this one, and make seeds for plant. Okay, salute cincin, and thank you very much for the stuff. Now the pasta is almost ready, and salute.
Salud means cheers in English. Yeah, you can make any pasta you like.
Okay. All right, I think we bring over here, okay?
It looks so good.
I want to put it right over here. Oh, look at this.
Somebody said, can you send it, the dish?
Yeah, I got a helicopter outside. I send it for everybody one dish. It's really, oh, look at this, how beautiful, look. Nice. Now I need one dish for me. Little glass of wine. And one together.
No, the pasta is from the store, but it's fresh pasta.
Okay. Now we got a little sausage. And the fusilli.
The cheese we're buying also Restaurant Depot. Restaurant Depot.
Yes. And we use, before I put the parsley, let me put a little pecorino cheese on the top.
It's pecorino romano.
A little parsley.
It means cheers.
Cheers. A salute. E cin cin. And thank you very much for the stuff. A salute. You say in Italy, we say a salute. Cin cin. Alla santé. Salute. Okay, now I got the sausage and the fusilli. Look at this.
You can use any sausage you like. We like spicy food, so we always use spicy. Hello, hello from Australia.
The sausage and the fusilli, it's a delicious. It's spice, not too much, but it's really, really good. And with the pecorino cheese, boy, it's like a cream. You know, using no milk. You know, a lot of people use milk. You know, extra cheese, it come out delicious. And I want to say to everybody, thank you very much, and thank you for your support, and thank you for the star.
Yes, in Neptune, yes.
Goppia mia finiculi finicula, yum, yum, goppia mia. Okay, make this dish and you let me know that it's really good. Salute cincin everybody. Salute and thank you again for your support and thank you for the stuff. Salute. Cin cin, alla santé, cheers. Cheers, say, right?